We're going to look at multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. A monomial means one term, and a polynomial means two or more terms. So that 5 there, that number just by itself, is called a monomial. And this here is a polynomial, 2a plus 3b plus 5c. Those are three terms added together, sometimes also called a trinomial. Now, the way you do it is when the bracket means multiplication. The number in front means you're supposed to multiply it, but you multiply it by each term, and it gets distributed. So it's called the distributive principle. So you go 5 times 2 is 10a, 5 times 3 is 15b, 5 times 5 is 25c, and there's your answer. So what if the monomial in the front was 7x, and you had 2x squared plus 3x and minus 3? Those were the three terms in the brackets. Well, you multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. But when you go x times x squared, you've got to remember your laws of exponents. So 1 plus 2 is 3. When you multiply, you add exponents. Or maybe you can just see it. There's one x here and another x multiplied by another x. That's 3 x's multiplied together. Well, 7 times 3 is 21, but x times x is x squared, and then 7x times minus 3 is minus 21x. Okay, here's just a couple more examples. X gets distributed here. X times x squared gives you x cubed. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 2 times x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 2 times positive 3 is minus 6x. Good thing I saw that. Minus 6x. That's what it really equals. Minus 2 times minus 1 is equal to positive 2. So you got to multiply it out carefully. See, I made a mistake there before. So minus 2 times x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 2 times positive 3x is minus 6x. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. Now we put there's only one x cubed. There's no other x cubes. You put together the like terms. 3x squared minus 2x squared, that equals 1x squared. Now here's this, I made a bit of a mistake before. It's minus 3x minus 6x. That's going to give us minus 9x. And there's a plus 2 here. No other numbers. So we can combine the two like terms, the x's, minus 3x and minus 6x. And we can go 3x squared minus 2x squared. Those are like terms to give you 1x squared. Okay, sometimes we get variables like xy times xy squared. Well, just go x times x gives you the x squared. Y times y squared gives you y cubed. Now the xy gets multiplied by here. X times x squared, that's x cubed, but there's just one y sitting there. Then xy times x squared y squared, but it's minus, so you put a minus there. The x times x squared makes x cubed, and the y times y squared makes y cubed. There's the xy getting distributed to these three terms inside the bracket. We're going to do a whole lot of questions practicing this. And there's a memo with it, but you got to practice a lot of these to get good at it. So you need to do that.